So guys, mag-update tayo ng kung ano ang nangyayari sa akin this past few days after the life update and life lately na vlog ko. So as the past video, there you saw the laboratory, the how I did sa results ng lab ko. Now, na-experience ko is that eating is still a task, and feeling ko hindi ako naglo-lose ng weight. Feeling ko tumataba ako kasi kumakain ako 3 times a day. Minsan I eat snacks pag hindi ko kaya. Yung minsan talaga meron talagang araw na parang gusto ko lang kumain na kumain. And I still take my medicines and supplements 3 times a day na naka-schedule. And these past few days actually nakain ako ng breakfast, and then brunch pala, and then kumakain ako at around 5 or 6 in the evening, or 4 in the afternoon, and then yun lang. If magutom ako sa gabi, I'll just drink Yakult, or I'll just eat trail mix. Yung trail mix ko is that may ano siya, may almonds, may cashew nuts, may macadamia nuts, may blackberries, may raspberry na dried, and then may blueberry na dried, and then may yogurt chips siya. So doon ako kumukuha ng tamis sa yogurt chips. Actually maganda yung ano na yun, yung trail mix na yun, pero andun sa ref, ayoko nang tumayo dito. And I do exercise every day. I do walking every day. Ako guys, mabilis talaga ako ma-bored sa buhay. So hindi pwede na same routine lang siya every week, same routine lang siya talaga, naboboard ako. So 'di ba, I started walking sa treadmill. Now this past few weeks hindi ako nagte-treadmill. And tread climber pala. Ginagawa ko is that nag-search ako ng mga 30, 20 minutes or 15 minutes na walking exercise, but yung walk na yun, imbis na mag-walk ako, niraran ko siya. And then, in between, may mga exercises kang gagawin. So, yan ang ginagawa ko. Now, bago na naman yung routine ko, exercise routine ko, it's walking still, but it's walking last week. It's walking this week, parang ano siya, parang HIIT workout siya, pero what you call it, parang hindi siya ganun ka-intense na HIIT workout. Yung 20 minutes lang siya, pero guys, nananakit yung ano ko, yung left knee ko, kasi yung left knee ko injured siya. Dahil na-injured to yung left knee ko dahil when I was graduating in college that time, or yeah, I think I was in college. Kakagraduate ko lang ata ng college, and bagong-bago yung Caribbean resort dito sa amin. So we went there, and 'di ba uso before yung jump shot, o 'di ba? So nung college ako, nag-gym ako nung college ako. So I was like, hindi ako ganito kalaki. I'm so chubby ako, pero how do you say it? Hindi ako chubby, hindi ako payat. Ganun ang ano ko, ganun ang katawan ko nung college. So, 'di ba, nag-jump shot kami ng friend ko sa church. Oh, pag land ni RC, na-land niya yung left leg niya na super straight. Hindi nag-bounce yung hindi ko natansya yung paglapag ko sa ground. So, doon na hindi na ako nakatayo. Binuhat na ako ng daddy, hindi ko na malakad yung left leg ko. Tapos nag-bruise siya. Actually, dinala ako ng hospital that afternoon kasi hindi na ako makalakad eh. So hindi ko na hindi ko na enjoy the whole day sa resort kasi pumunta kami ng hospital because of my knee. Nag-bruise siya, nag-inflame siya, as in talaga siya, lumaki talaga siya. And then the doctor was like want to have me go to have a what you call it, have a X-ray, pero yung X-ray lab is what you call it, that time it was closed already because it's like hapon na. So hindi kami nakabalik ng daddy ng hospital because I was so afraid. So hindi napatingnan kung ano ang nangyari dito sa loob ng knee ko until now. Pag siya, parang na overuse siya or nababanat siya ng bongga, sumasakit siya, nararamdaman ko siya. So but then the doctor, the ortho that time, he was trying to stretch my knee but hindi kaya kasi lumaki na nga siya. And binigyan na lang ako ng antibiotics and medicine para sa pain and para yung maga ba. At saka cold compress siya, tapos hindi ako pwedeng tumayo. And the doctor says, I think it's not broken, pero feeling ng doctor, yung mga tendons and ligaments ko, nag-stretch siya, at saka yung iba na-crushed. So, that's why hindi ako makatayo, kasi feeling ko, naggaganon yung yung knee ko. So, yun lang. But until now, ko pa din siya, nafe-feel ko pa siya. Anyways, so, let's go back sa natin, sa update natin. I am doing good. And people say that may improvement naman sa akin, na nag-lose naman ako, na lumiit naman ako. So, we'll see, kasi hindi ako nag-weigh, because I don't want to be disappointed. Actually, dumating na yung weighing scale ko, digital weighing scale, but hindi ako nag-weigh because I don't want to be disappointed. And now, it's December na pala ngayon, December 13, I think ngayon. So, yan ang update ko pa din, and I eat most of the time fish, vegetables, and super konting rice lang talaga, pero I eat 3 times a day, and minsan lang ako nagsasnacks. And nag-cheat din ako, guys. I cheat as well. I eat pasit canton, I eat lechon, I ordered lechon, and then last Saturday pinadalan ako ng lechon. O diba, isang paa ng lechon, yung butt ng lechon, yung ham ng lechon pinadala dito sa akin. So tuwang-tuwa ako. Until now, meron pa din akong lechon dyan sa ref. And now, my best friend arrived from her work. Galing siya ng cruise eh. So, I was out the whole day today, and yeah, I have energy, pero hindi ganun yung energy before. But then, I drank my medicine, and I ate. Kumain kami ng shakies, but then I'm a good girl. I only eat salad and water. Yun lang ang lunch ko. And I'm so excited because I just want to say thank you to my second family, to my best friend's family. They are my second family na talaga. Thank you kasi excited ako kumain ng I have a supply of tuna paksiw, guys. Oh my God! Tuna paksiw. So, that is my supply for this coming days, and I'm so excited to eat it because I know how yummy it is. Kasi grabe, sobrang sarap nila talaga mag-cook, as in lahat sila. So today it's a well-spent day. I was out the whole day, and nag-spa din ako kanina while they did their grocery shopping. So yeah, I had food spa kanina, and it was so nice na massage yung legs ko. And yeah, that is the update for this week and last week. So I hope that everything that I'm doing, lahat ng ginagawa kong effort na to, next on the 22nd. Sana okay na yung laboratory ko, kasi yung goal ko is i-omit ko lahat ng medicine ko. Supplements, I'm okay with supplements, pero medicine, ayoko na talagang mag-drink ng medicine. And I wanna go back to the gym para matone yung body ko, at saka dandahan kung yung magbabalik ako ng gym, if yung feeling ko ng gaan-gaan ko na, doon na lang ako babalik ng gym, kasi ayokong mag-gym din na feeling ko sobrang suffocated pa ako sa taba. So yeah, that is the update. And this past few days, this past few weeks, yeah, yung metabolism ko maganda. Nakaka-poop ako ng 3 times a day, 4 times a day. So, maganda siya. So, I hope talaga, fingers crossed talaga, na maganda na yung laboratory ko next on the 22nd. I really hope, kasi ay nako, nakakapagod uminom ng medicine, nakapagod na uminom ng ng mga supplements. Well, that is my update for this past few weeks and days and until today. So I hope and help me to pray na maganda lang yung result ko on the 22nd. And yeah, and also hindi ako naka-check. The doctor is messaging me to have my sugar check. Meron akong glucometer dito, pero oh my god, nakalimutan ko naman bumili ng strips. Ay, kasi yung strips ko dito, hindi ko na siya nagamit. So, it was like expired ng 2018 pa. So, hindi yan pwedeng gamitin. And yung, 'di ba, my doctor gave me losartan. And kasi nung sa check-up, 'di ba, sabi ko na yung yung BP ko was 140/90. So, binigyan niya ako ng for BP, for hypertension na medicine. But then na-notice ko every time na for 3 days ko siyang ininom. Kailan nga ba yun? 28, 29. So 29 ako nag-start. 29, 30, 31 I think ako. Hanggang 31 ako or December 1. Nag-drink ng losartan na yun. Pero nagko-complain ako na bakit parang sumasakit yung ulo ko. Parang feeling ko may high blood ako. Feeling ko sumasakit yung bato ko. Na wala naman akong high blood. I know na wala akong high blood kasi alam ko na mababa talaga yung BP ko. So, this senior nurse that I know, na close kong ate dito sa YouTube, told me to check my BP. So, chinek ko yung BP ko, guys. Yung BP ko, 100/90, 87/90, 87/77. Ganun ang ang BP ko. So, she had me contact my doctor, and I did contact my doctor, and the doctor stopped the medicine, the losartan, because nga pinasa ko lahat yung yung BP ko for the past 3 days. So sabi ko, feeling ko I have to stop kasi wala hindi mataas yung BP ko, and yung feeling ko high blood ako, yung nananakit yung ulo ko, masakit yung bato ko, pero I'm not high blood. So pinastop doon, nawala yung sakit ng ulo ko, nawala yung sakit ng bato ko at saka ng likod ko. So, yun lang pala yun. And sinanang hatid ng water ko. So, ito yung water ko. Ito na yung water ko for today. From today until, 'di ba? So, yeah, and na-stop na yon yung for the BP na na medicine. Now, I'm just taking supplements and other medicines. So, that's good kasi nabawasan yung medicine ko, and I hope on the 22nd lahat na yan sila mawawala. So, ito lang muna yung update ko, guys, for like the mid update of the weeks na until the 22nd. So yeah, I hope you guys are well and taking care of yourselves. So bye everybody.